What you can see in front is the two machines which have been procured by the Prayagraj Nagar Nigam, and these are the cleaning machines of the river. Now, as you can see, it is a complete automatic system, and the debris what are there in the river, that are being pulled up by some mechanism in the front, and it gets collected behind in this trolley. Now first let us understand what is the reason for cleaning up this river. If you see the debris, most of it is these kind of debris, which are all those items and things which are used for worshipping. Now this worshipping is happening for generations and ages together, so it is only greater awareness that can come to a situation where we do not have the polluting of these rivers. The other problem is that all this plastic which is used in our day-to-day life finally ends up in the river. And this, as you can see, even now also there are a couple of plastic pieces lying. So we need to have a sustained effort in the direction of using less of plastic and trying to eliminate plastic completely from the use of our life. I can understand that plastic provides ease of living and usage, but it ends up in our rivers. Otherwise, if you see, the efforts of the government and the local bodies are clearly visible. You can see the river is relatively clean, and it is a daily effort. It is a continual effort. It's going to take a lot of time, but yes, we have not exactly reached there, but we are on the way.